So, do you love football? Do you love football snacks? Now, are you wondering what wines should you pair with your football faves? Well, watch this video and I will give you some sip tips on what wines go with your classic football snacks. For the best Wine Diva sips and tips, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you are notified when my latest video comes out every week. If you're not sure where to start when you are pairing your wines with your football faves, this video is going to help you. By the end of this video, you're gonna have 5 wine classifications to pair with your favorite football snacks. In case you don't know me, I am Tiara, aka T, the Wine Diva of tastingswithT.com. And what I do is I help you take the whining out of enjoying your wine. I rep for an amazing Napa Valley winery, so if you're looking for specific wines to try, I can help you out. Okay, so the game has started. Where do you begin? Well, let's start off with some bubbly. Bubbly is always a great place to start with your wine and your wine pairing. So bubbles go well with fried chicken, your jalapeno poppers, and your potato chips. So thinking of like a semi-secco, a brut, or even a rosé sparkling will be perfect. Now let's talk sweet wines. Where are my Moscato fans, or as I like to call it, a muscat? Sweet wines are gonna go well with your wings, your sausage dips, any sort of peppers, and of course, your desserts. Comment below, what is your favorite football classic food? Next are delicate wines. So delicate wines are like your Sauvignon Blancs, your Videllos, your Rosé all days, okay? All right, and they're gonna pair really well with spinach dips, guacamole, nachos, pigs in a blanket. So your lighter, kind of fun, not so heavy flavored football snacks are gonna go well with delicate wines. Talked before about wine pairings. So if you wanna know a little bit more about why certain wines go with certain foods, please check out my wine pairing basics video. Your smooth wines like Merlots, Pinot Noirs, Chenin Blancs, they're gonna go really well with like your pizza, your pulled pork, and your cheese and charcuterie boards. That's right, I said a cheese and charcuterie board. Football can be fancy too. And finally, your intense wines. Your intense wines like Cabernet Sauvignon, Sangiovese, Tannats, Zinfandels, all right? They're gonna go great with your burgers, your chilies, your stews, ribs, hot dogs, meatball subs, all that hearty, meaty goodness. Share with me, who is your favorite football team? Fly, Eagles, fly. Okay, so now that you have an idea of what wines are gonna pair with your football fave foods, follow the link below for some specific wines to go with your football favorite foods. If you liked this video, please let me know by giving me some love below. Please share with your friends and of course, subscribe to the channel. If you wanna get more tips and tips and behind the scenes content, you can always follow me on Facebook, Wine Diva Tiara, or my personal profile, Tiara Janae, and of course on the Instagram, Wine Diva Tiara. And as always, for more information on different wine pairings, recipes, and the like, please visit the lifestyle section of my website.